Okay, in this video, we are going to solve this integral problem right here. I classify this problem as a U substitution type 3 X term rearrange. And in the description box, I have a categorized playlist of different types of integral problems. And so let's begin this problem. So we're first going to say that U is equal to this piece right here. So 1 plus 5x. This would make our du term to be 5dx. And we can rearrange to get dx by itself. So you could say that dx is equal to du divided by 5. And again, I classify this problem as a type 3 x term rearrange because next we're going to want to get this x term to be by itself. And we can do that if you subtract 1 on both sides, you'll get u minus 1. Now you have 5x by itself. So you want to get rid of the 5 in front of the x, so you could divide by 5. And that's going to equal x. Okay, now we can just swap. So we said x is going to be u minus 1 divided by 5, and u is 1 plus 5x. So we can say that x would be u minus 1 divided by 5. And this piece right here, 1 plus 5x is equal to u, so we'll have 5 times the square root of u, close parentheses, du divided by 5, because dx is du divided by 5. We can clean this up a little bit. So this is being divided by 5, also being divided by 5. So you could take out 1 divided by 25, because 5 times 5 is 25. Then we'll have our integral. We have u minus 1 divided by the square root of u du. And now we can split up this integral. So we'll have 1 divided by 25, the integral of parentheses u divided by the square root of u minus 1 divided by the square root of u, close parentheses du. And so we're going to get 1 divided by 25, the integral u divided by the square root of u. This is like u raised to 1/2. This is u raised to 1. So we're going to get u raised to 1/2 minus u raised to negative 1/2. Because again, this is like u raised to 1/2, and it's in the denominator, so it's u raised to negative 1/2. Close parentheses, du. So now we have a regular kind of problem, so we'll get 1 divided by 25, u. Now we have 1/2 in the power, so we add 1, we get 3 divided by 2 as our exponent. Then we have to divide by 3 divided by 2, minus same thing. Negative 1/2 plus 1 would give us raised to 1/2. We have to divide by 1/2. And don't forget the plus c. Also, I had to keep a parentheses because this 1 divided by 25 goes through everything. So we can clean this up a little bit. We'll get 1 divided by 25, parentheses. Instead of saying divided by 3 divided by 2, you could say 2/3 u raised to 3 divided by 2. And again, instead of saying divided by 1/2, you could say minus 2 u raised to 1/2, close parentheses, plus c. I suppose you could expand this 1 divided by 25 to go over both pieces. Let's just do that. So we'll get 2 divided by 75, parentheses, u raised to 3 divided by 2, close parentheses, minus 2 divided by 25, parentheses, u raised to 1/2, plus c. And our last step is to replace u with what we said it was. It was 1 plus 5x. And so our final answer would be 2 divided by 75, replace u with 1 plus 5x, close parentheses, raised to 3 divided by 2, minus 2 divided by 25. And instead of u raised to 1/2, you could do the whole square root. So let's do the square root. And now we got to replace u with 1 plus 5x. So 1 plus 5x plus c. And that's all we need to do for this problem. And if you want more practice, check the description box for more videos.